Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to use Cash App without an SSN, which stands for Social Security Number. Let's start by understanding what an SSN is. The Social Security Number is a legal identifier that Cash App uses to verify your identity. It helps Cash App confirm that you are a legitimate user and a citizen of the country. If you don't have an SSN, you won't be able to verify your Cash App account fully. Verification is necessary to access many features of the app, including adding cash, depositing money, making online payments, and transferring funds. Without verification, your account remains limited, meaning you can still receive money, but your ability to send or withdraw funds will be restricted. For those who want to use Cash App without an SSN, here's what you can do. You can still create a Cash App account using just your email address or phone number. This allows you to receive payments, but you won't have access to the full functionality of the app. To set up your account, download the Cash App from the App Store or Google Play Store and open it. When prompted, enter your email address or phone number to sign up. Follow the steps to set up your account. You'll be asked to create a unique $cash tag, which acts as your identifier on the app. At this point, you can start receiving money. However, when you try to send money or link a bank account, Cash App will request additional details for verification. Without an SSN, these features will remain locked. Unfortunately, there is no workaround to fully verify your account without providing an SSN or similar identification. Cash App uses this requirement to comply with financial regulations and ensure user security. So, while you can use Cash App to some extent without an SSN, the lack of verification limits what you can do. If you need to access all features, you will need to provide an SSN or alternative documentation if supported in your region. That's it. That's how you can solve how to use Cash App without an SSN. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.